My half-sister took me camping and I'll never be the same. I grew up with a narcissistic dad and a sick mom who often left us alone at the house. When I was 12, I learned about my half-sister who was 17 and lived a few hours away. We wrote letters and I shared my fear of the long summer holiday. She promised to come and save me if it got too bad, writing, "Just let me know and I'll find a way to help." A few days after I told her about my mom not providing meals and my dad being physically abusive, she showed up at our doorstep. She told my dad I would spend the summer with her family, and he agreed. We took the night train north, but she didn't take me home. She took me camping.